Hi, I'm back. So it's been about 3 weeks since I have made a video. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was graduating high school, which was fun. But now I am like 2 weeks away from leaving to go to college, which is insane. My last like little hurrah, I'm going on a cruise. It's my first cruise. I'm going with my Gigi. We're going to the Bahamas and we are leaving tomorrow morning.
Right now, I am going to Walmart to get cupcakes and balloons for my boss's birthday party.
And after that, I'm going to Gigi's house, sleeping over, and then we're waking up tomorrow and going to the little dog place.
I really have that one phobia of the ocean.
By visiting www.
Something better be wrong with it. Look what I got you.
What?
Are you videoing?
Yeah, the whole time.
I'm so excited.
On the road. We're driving to Charleston. We're 2 hours away. I'm really sleepy. What? They let us go to the priority line.
I am so excited to be here with my granddaughter.
We're going to get food and we can check into our rooms at 1:30. I'm scared. Look at him. Aww. They did forget my bag. I took like an hour nap. My freaking bag still hasn't gone here. We're leaving. She's getting me a full body massage, a scalp massage, a foot and ankle massage. Wow. Okay, we found my bag. Anyways, this is my fit right now. I'm going out to get dinner. Look at the view. Wow. Shrimp cocktail and duck rolls. It tastes like chicken. She got what?
Steak.
Barbecue salmon. Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Like, look at this view. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
Question.
We're in the room. Yeah, so I guess I'll check back in with you guys afterwards and tell you how good we feel, right? She like realigned my whole body.
I also don't know if I've told you guys this yet. Maybe I have. But we're going through a tropical storm right now. Which is terrifying. No, they said it was a tropical depression, but now it's progressed.
The next day.
It's 9 a.m. and last night it was crazy wavy. I thought we were sinking. Does that fit? I'm really nervous. Look what they made. Okay, we're going to get brunch. Does that fit? Raffle number 8. Haven't won anything yet.
The number is 477889.
Okay, let me show you yours. Okay, we're ready. This is my fit. It's elegant night. We're taking pictures. Chia seeds and strawberry. Oh, it's so good. Crawfish fettuccine. Oh my gosh. It's going to taste.
It's some kind of cheese.
It's cheese? It's like vanilla bean. It leaked. Look at what he gave us. The camera is missing. It's like a $50 camera, but it also had my only 2 hair ties in it, so I had to go and get hair ties. And I also got the s'mores Rice Krispie. Time to go to sleep. We're in
Half Moon Cay.
Yay! We're going snorkeling, taking pictures. She had to go get a ticket. Look at my face. I also just saw my teacher. We finished taking pictures! Woo! Hang on. Never mind. Look at her. You're in my waterproof case right now. Okay, I'm in the water. Where is Gigi? There she is. Oh. Whirlpool.
Bruh.
My braid scared the shit out of me. It was like right up in my face. I found a little bracelet on the bottom of the ocean. I am literally in awe right now. They found my camera and hair clip. Everything, the hair ties and all. Yesterday, we went to the karaoke bar thing. Gigi thought that was where she might have left the camera, so we went back there and she asked the two guys who were sitting next to us, who had been sitting next to us the entire time, if they had seen my camera.
And they were like, no, and they like looked around for her and stuff. So we leave because they did have the camera the entire time and had the audacity to take a freaking picture on it.
Oh my god. I am literally so bad. Going to dinner? Took a little nap?
Ooh. Ah.
Yes, please.
Okay, bowl. Oh my god. 15 out of 10. Broccoli cheddar soup. Yum. Wow. They really outdid themselves tonight. Her fried chicken is way better than mine. Time to taste. Oh my god. She got cappuccino something. There we are. Wow. We're in Nassau. Here's the fit. Anyways, it was a terrible night. But we're back. And we're gonna go shopping. We're surrounded by cruises. Wow.
Got our free rings. They change colors.
Diamonds International. Free drinks in the Diamonds International.
I'll have what I'm having. I'll have what I'm having.
You're gonna be a lovely model for me. Things either you buy and you take it with you, then you pay.
Right,
If I'm buying, then you stay here with me and model.
Yeah. Go ahead, I want to see it on my finger
That's your
first.
daughter?
I've never been flirted. Rum cake. A dolphin pendant for our bracelets. I'm buying my first ever legal alcohol today. Look at the water, it's so clear. I got this shell. I got a frog star. What did you get? Margarita. It's my first legal drink. I bought it. Yummy. Nachos.
No onion.
Catfish.
And this is an 18 plus show, alright?
I'm doing a scavenger
18
hunt.
or easily offended.
I've never seen so many men give lap dances in my life. Anyways, going to the club now. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah.
Everybody's looking at me now.
This is literally the best hot chocolate I ever had in my life. We're going to the pool. This is the fit. The fits have gotten progressively worse. The storm's coming. Are we leaving? It's our last dinner on the cruise ship. Gonna go all out tonight. We got so much food.
You gotta try.
This whole video is literally just a taste testing video, I guess. Caesar salad. Fried tomatoes. Frog legs. Pig soup. Pig ale. Pig ale and corn soup or something like that. Passion fruit parfait. Baked Alaska.
Oh my, so sour. We're in the storm and there's been 3 tornadoes. We get off the boat at 2:40. We were supposed to get off the boat at like, what, 8:40 a.m. We're going to breakfast for the last time, our last meal.
I'm so sad.
Parfait and fork.
We're like, all of our drinks just flew to the left. Bye, room. Last ice cream. Everyone's just sitting out here waiting. Sitting in the casino, waiting. I'm here alone. This big ass parking lot. Can't find the truck, so she's going to find it because this is quite literally the most heavy bag in the whole world. Like, I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're in the car! Yay! Had an amazing time on the cruise.
I'm so sad that I'm leaving. I hope you guys like this video.
My next video is gonna be me moving into my college dorm, so stay tuned for that.
Anyways, that is the end of my cruise vlog.
Guys, thank you guys so much for watching.